Hello guys, welcome to my another video. And today is another day of fasting, Ramadan Kareem, and it's hot outside. I don't know how you're getting my big picture because it's sunlight outside and I cannot see anything in the camera. And today, as you know, I bought a BMW 5 Series car 520i, and I'm gonna get a paint job for it. And as when I purchased the car, it was having a paint job little. So I'm going to my friend's workshop, setting on, and how much it will cost for the paint job of a BMW car. So let's see. Hello guys, so we are heading towards the mechanic workshop, and let's show him what the work is required in this vehicle. Actually, it seems that there's some also little mechanical work like power pump, some giving trouble. So we will also check it there. Okay guys, stay tuned. Hello guys, so I just actually wanted to show you that my paint job for my car is actually done, and now the car is ready. I can move anywhere, I can go. Actually, there is today also summer hot day outside, and yesterday I was not able to make the full video, so I decided to make half of the other means today, because yesterday I got late. There was not some light, enough light, sufficient light, so I can make my video and show up you my car. So now it's ready, and get prepared for the next video, which is a small clip I thought I should also upload on this channel. And so actually my car was ready and all the work is done. It was having some work required and from BMW service, but I have done without that from my mechanic workshops, my dental and painter friends. Okay, and from all these friends I've done my all work in reasonable price, and all the main thing, it cost me just 100 dirhams for the paint job. Okay, see, I also have attached the picture before. Okay, and now you can see after the paint job, pretty good. Now my car is ready. I can move. I will show off you my car. Okay, so my car is ready and I can move anywhere now. Actually, it was not looking good when actually the paint job was required before, so it was not looking good. But now it's looking good. Actually, there's a lot of heat also outside nowadays, summer here in UAE. So I just wanted to show you. Hello guys, this was actually the short clip which I thought that I should upload on my channel, and this was regarding a paint job for my car I have done for my BMW 5 Series Scotch, which I bought a few days back. And now I'm up to the recoveries from my clients, and I have to recover some money as there is a lockdown situation outside. So I'm unable to do properly. So all the areas are sealed by the municipality departments and by the police. They're checking and scanning for the corona. You also take care. So soon I'll be able to upload my new videos, which will be entertaining and you will enjoy the videos. Thank you for watching me. Please. viewers who watch my video but don't subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and keep on watching my videos. And whoever watched my video, please subscribe it and share it with friends and